Okay, well, if you'll remember the other day, I was working with the motor controller board. In the process, working with that motor controller board, I ended up whacking it out. So, I decided, hey, I have the components. Why do I have to have a motor controller board? Why can't I just build my own? So I looked up the chips. So there's like, see here, what is it? It's a, there was an SN, I don't remember the numbers. Anyway, there's one chip, which is basically the motor controller chip. There's another chip down here. Where is he? Which is basically the logic chip. Okay. Now, here's the schematic for putting this machine together. Right. This logic, this chip. So anyhow, you'll see. This represents the motor controller. These objects represent the NAND gates on the logic controller. So if you'll recall, my first setup was basically to try to make the little tank run forward, backward, turn left, turn right, repeat. Okay? Well, after rebuilding that motor controller on my little breadboard, and you can see it there, and then plugging it up to the Arduino. Let's go back to my little test, my gearbox test. Let's load that up, and this should be loading up. Good to go. Now what's going to happen? Well, there we have it. We have forward, we have left, we have right. No, I'm sorry, that's vice versa. But then we just go to stop, right? So then we have forward again. Then we have, left. Then we have right. Or no, I was backward again. I can't watch the wheels and tell you. Forward, right, left, stop. I don't even know if you can see the difference in the wheels when they're moving. That's forward. That would be right. That would be left. Or vice versa. But anyway, down in here, some of this NAND gate configuration needs to be modified to actually give me my different directions again. It's a little screwy because the way that comes together, they're all intertwined with one another. So I need to go probably work that out, take a look at the logic of it, see what that means, and then we'll know the truth. But that's my accomplishment in rebuilding a motor controller board out of my breadboard with the two chips. I gotta tell you what those two chips were just to tell you. One chip is the SN754410NE. Yep. And then one chip is the SN74HC00N. I think that's what it is. 00N. Once again, those are the SN754410NE and the SN74HC00N. First one is the motor controller. The other one is a logic controller. Motor, logic, motor, confusion.